Me. Give me that. Give me that. Good. Ah! She's strong.
Yeah, her Minnie, yeah.
Oh no. It's ridiculous. I can't even get it.
Yeah.
Even when he's not looking. I'm just gonna steal this ball. I can't even steal the ball. She's not looking. I got it. Run. You look angry. You look angry. Help! Help! Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. She's good. She just takes it out of my hand. She snatches it.
Yeah.
Wait. Guess my son's actually keeping Harley in there because he's not coming out.
Yeah.
Harley, Minnie. No. Minnie, give it. Oh, you gonna steal her? Oh. Wait. Give it back. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Minnie. Oh no. She's after me. I did not know where she's at, but she's coming.
Yeah.
Oh no. Right there. You're slow. You're slowy. You're slow. You're slow. Yeah. I'll still take it after that. Whoa.
Hang on, let me open this door. Hang on.
Guys, prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. The alarm's about to go.
There we go.
Okay, smoke detector's about to go off. If it does go off, don't worry.
Open it, it won't go off.
Bruh. Minnie, you distracted. Let me get that.
It's alright, I think you're okay now. But
Okay,
it still may go off. Just be aware.
I'm just gonna use this just in case.
Okay.
Alright. Minnie, I know you're somewhere. Wow. Oh, come on. Hey, you're the cheating. Why'd you let me the game? Get away. It's mine. Oh dear. Okay, she was strong. Okay. Minnie. Oh. Minnie. Good reach catches. Give it. Minnie. Catch. I don't know why she's in there. Hold on a second, Minnie. Okay, I know why I did that. I don't know why I really came in here. I just got bored. I just wanted to touch something. Minnie! Woo! Why did we go? Why was she even? She didn't even be disqualified. It's gonna be impossible. She's gonna chase me down from that ball. Wait, I can still get it. Man, you're difficult, Minnie. No, Minnie. I'm scared to play with you. I'm scared to play with you. No. Help. Minnie. I think she's getting hungry and thirsty. I think she wants to eat for a second. Okay, no matter what, even if she's hungry and stuff, she'll still go get that ball. Yeah. The face of a friend. You're slow, aren't you? You're a slow chihuahua. Minnie. Minnie. Oh, here. Okay. Minnie? No! Minnie! Oh! I tried grabbing the ball and I slipped into the air conditioner. No, I slipped backwards and I tried grabbing it.
Oh, man.
What do you mean? Where'd you find that ball? Minnie! This is a new toy box I got for Harley.
Yeah.
Hey, about you on? Did you get? Is that a new toy that you got for Harley? That. Wait, did Mimi get you that football for Harley, or did you get it?
I don't know where it came from.
You found it in the yard.
Yes.
Well, the dogs must have found it.
Yes.
Anyways, guys, hold up. I have a little toy for them. But they have to agree to be good. This toy. I'm trash at that game. I'm trash at juggling. No, what was that? What was that? What am I doing? Gosh. Wait, is that my family? I'm just stuck here forever. Oh, that's Austin. Please don't mind that. That's my stepdad driving. I don't know why there's so many people here. I don't know why. It's like a family reunion. Let me go play with me. Minnie's my dog's name. That white one's Harley. And then that black and white one, that kind of grayish one, that's Ava. Man, Ava's just like every time I go somewhere, she follows me. Gecko, you want to play? No, I'm good. I'm tired. Okay. You could play. Hold up. That was just a motorcycle. I have motorcycles too. Men! You organized thief. I know, hold on. I wish you guys was supposed to get it first. I just got it today. I just got this from Dollar General.
Right?
No, I just wanted to smell that. Minnie, I got her ball. Oh, she gets mad. Minnie likes playing with the football. She's gonna chase me down if I give her the football. Minnie. Give it. You'll be back. Whenever she gets the football, she'll never give it back. You have to take it when she's not looking.
Yeah.
Okay. That's my stepdad's mom. Oh, okay. There you go. The dog, actually, Harley discovered this ball outside. He just randomly found it outside.
Yeah, it came from Mimi's house, I'm telling you.
Oh! That one didn't look like that was catchy. What am I doing? What am I doing? Noise. It's Coke. Me. Oh. Okay, I gotta get. But I know this is actually exercise play with Minnie.
It is, and it's good for Minnie because she gets to exercise too and stays active. She's old.
Yeah,
She's old. She loves it.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. We'll do a little poppet. We'll do some poppets. I mean, guys, I have plenty. I have plenty of them. I have plenty of them. TNT. Look at all these poppets. What is that one again? Why is this in there? This is for the dogs. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna go do some poppets, Mom. I'll be right back. I need to take an outside break. I'm already ready to swim.
Me too.
The pool ain't that bad. This part, it's actually pretty warm actually. It's a little bit warm. It's still cold a little. Yeah, I just been in today. It's a little bit cold still though.
Yeah. Especially when the wind blows, huh?
Yeah. Okay, look at this. There's like wasps out here. I'm about to go to the back door. I had to go to the back door. There's a wasp in the front door. Well, Austin's mom's still out there.
I'm coming out the back door, baby.
Ah, okay. Oh, this is bright. So I gotta take her up the left. At the left. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh no. A lot of them. That's funny. Okay, let's go back in. It's hot out here. Guys, I'm gonna go swimming later. Don't mind me, I don't have a shirt on. Austin's mom said she wants to go swimming.
Okay. So, you want to go swimming with her? We're swimming with her at the river. Remember?
Oh yeah, sure. And like, after I,
Where's she at?
she's in the front.
Okay.
Well, this is it. One more time before we go. Yo,